Space Exploration, Past, Present and Future. Chapter 1. Introduction. Hey everyone! Welcome back to CHIZHIM Science Tech YouTube channel, the home of futuristic knowledge and mind-expanding discoveries. Today, we're about to take an epic journey through time, technology, and the cosmos as we explore space exploration, past, present, and future. From the first rocket launches to the dreams of colonizing Mars, from Cold War rivalries to interstellar ambitions, this story is one of daring, discovery, and the relentless human spirit. Strap in, because this is going to be an exhilarating trip across space and time. Chapter 2. The beginning of space exploration, ancient TO 1940s. Before rockets reached the stars, humanity reached for the skies through imagination. Ancient civilizations charted constellations, built astronomical observatories, and crafted myths about the stars. In the 4th century BC, Chinese engineers launched the first rudimentary rockets using gunpowder. In the Renaissance, thinkers like Copernicus and Galileo radically changed our view of the universe, placing the sun at the center and opening our minds to cosmic possibilities. Yet it wasn't until the 20th century that dreams became machines. Chapter 3. The Cold War Space Race, 1950s to 1970s. The Cold War era ignited the first real race to space. In 1957, the Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, the world's first artificial satellite. Just 4 years later, Yuri Gagarin became the first human in space. Not to be outdone, the United States stepped up. In 1969, millions around the world watched as Apollo 11 touched down on the moon. Neil Armstrong's giant leap for mankind became a symbol of human achievement. This was not just a technological race, it was a battle of ideologies, economies, and visions for humanity's future. Chapter 4. Space Shuttles and International Cooperation, 1980s to 2000s. The 1980s brought a shift. With the development of reusable space shuttles, space travel became more routine, though still dangerous and expensive. NASA's shuttle program launched dozens of missions, deploying satellites, telescopes, and space labs. But the most important development? Cooperation. In 1998, the world united above the Earth with the construction of the International Space Station, a floating laboratory where astronauts from the US, Russia, Europe, Japan, and more live and work together in peace. Space was no longer just a battlefield, it became a bridge. Chapter 5. Robots and Rovers, Exploring Beyond Earth. While humans orbited close to Earth, our robotic emissaries went much farther. NASA's Voyager probes gave us breathtaking views of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Mars became a primary target, with rovers like Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance exploring its dusty terrain, searching for signs of water, life, and future habitability. These machines are our eyes and hands in the void, gathering data, capturing stunning imagery, and paving the way for future crewed missions. Chapter 6. Present Day, the Rise of Private Space Companies. We are now living through a space revolution unlike anything before. Private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic have entered the stage, bringing competition, innovation, and dreams of commercial space travel. Elon Musk's SpaceX changed the game by developing reusable rockets, dramatically reducing launch costs. They've delivered supplies to the ISS, launched megasatellite constellations, and are now building the Starship, humanity's most powerful rocket. The space industry is no longer just government-funded, it's a growing commercial frontier. Chapter 7. The Search for Life Beyond Earth. Host. Are we alone? This question drives one of the most exciting areas of space exploration. Telescopes like Kepler and James Webb are discovering thousands of exoplanets, some in the habitable zone where liquid water could exist. Moons like Europa and Enceladus may have oceans beneath their icy crusts, prime locations to search for alien microbes. The more we look, the more the universe seems filled with possibilities. Chapter 8. Plans for the Moon, Mars and beyond. The Moon is back on the agenda. NASA's Artemis program plans to return humans to the lunar surface, including the first woman and person of color. But this time, the goal isn't just to visit, it's to stay. Moon bases will test our ability to live off Earth. Mars is next, with missions like Starship aiming to carry the first humans there. These are the first steps toward becoming a multiplanetary species. Chapter 9. Interstellar Ambitions, 100 years from now. Let's look far into the future. Projects like Breakthrough Starshot aim to send tiny spacecraft to Alpha Centauri within decades. Theoretical physics proposes concepts like warp drives, wormholes, and even Dyson spheres to harvest stellar energy. These may sound like science fiction, but so did the moon landing in 1900. If we survive long enough, the stars are within reach. Chapter 10. The technological innovations driving space forward. Modern space exploration depends on technology that seemed impossible just a decade ago. Artificial intelligence guides rovers, pilots drones, and sorts massive space data. 3D printing is used on the ISS to manufacture tools. Space mining companies plan to extract precious metals from asteroids. And future space missions will include AI co-pilots, autonomous robots, and quantum communication. Space isn't just about rockets, it's about innovation in every field. Chapter 11. Why space exploration matters to Earth. Some people ask, why explore space when there are problems here on Earth? The truth is, space exploration helps Earth in countless ways. Satellites monitor climate change, weather, and disasters. Space tech gave us GPS, satellite TV, solar panels, and advanced medical tools. Space unites nations, inspires generations, and gives us the overview effect, the profound realization of our shared existence on a fragile planet. Looking outwards makes us care more about what we have here. Chapter 12. Conclusion. Our future among the stars. Humanity has always been curious. We've looked at the stars for millennia, and now we're touching them. From ancient skywatchers to astronauts aboard the ISS, from robotic scouts on Mars to billionaires building spaceships, we are part of a journey that has only just begun. We're not just exploring space, we are becoming spacefaring beings. If you enjoyed this interstellar journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CHIZHIM Science Tech YouTube channel, where science meets the future. Until next time, keep looking up.